Light stands can take up a lot of room if you're shooting video content in a smaller space. I'm going to show you a desk mount stand that can make that issue a thing of the past right now. If you've been upgrading your gear for live streaming and video content creation, but still are struggling to find a better solution for mounting your lights and even your camera, I've found a great solution that we're gonna look at in this video. Chances are, if you've been live streaming or creating video content for a good amount of time, you've tried to find solutions to help streamline your video creation process. One of the biggest ones I've always seemed to run into no matter the situation was how to mount my lights and camera to where I could access them easily without them taking up a lot of space. Well, recently I found this great desk mount stand that solved all my problems. And the great part? It's half the price of the Elgato stand and does the exact same thing. Meet the Dazzne Desk Mount Stand. Dazzne? Dazzne. I really have no idea. I'm gonna go with Dazzne. This stand is perfect for what I needed it to do and would be willing to bet if you're struggling with the clumsy light stands and tripods that have a big footprint wherever you create your video content, this stand is gonna be perfect for you too. Honestly, it's as easy as anything to set up in your space since it clamps directly to a desk, tabletop, or wherever you're shooting that day with an easy-to-use C-clamp. With this type of mounting system, you no longer have to worry about the legs of your light stands or your tripod taking up valuable space, especially if you're in tight quarters with your filming area. Once you have it clamped to your desk, the stand can be adjusted anywhere from 12.9 inches all the way up to 22 inches. That gives you nearly 10 inches of adjustability depending on your needs. It's made of good quality aluminum and has a 1/4 inch mount at the top, allowing you to mount anything from a tripod head, ball head adapter like I have in my setup to mount my Canon M5 II, all the way up to LED lighting panels. The stand is also sturdy enough to easily handle loads of up to 10 pounds with ease. The biggest selling points to me for this stand are: 1, it solved the problem I was having with too many legs all over the place under my desk in my office. And 2, it's basically half the cost of the Elgato stands. Now, is this the right solution for you? Well, I can't really answer that for you, but if you have a smaller video creation space and are looking for an easy and affordable mounting option for your camera and lighting, I would definitely take a look at the Dazzne Desk Mount Stand. If you'd like to learn even more about social media marketing, video, and product reviews, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.